Bose QuietComfort wireless noise-canceling headphones, Bluetooth over-ear headphones with up to 24 hours of battery life, Moonstone Blue, Limited. Legendary noise cancellation. Effortlessly combines noise-canceling headphones technology with passive features so you can shut off the outside world, quiet distractions, and take music beyond the beat. Premium comfort. Plush earcup cushions softly hug your ears, while a secure and comfortable padded band gently keeps your over-ear headphones in place for those extra-long listening sessions. 2 listening modes. These wireless Bluetooth headphones feature quiet and aware modes that let you toggle between full noise canceling or full awareness of your surroundings for seamless sound control. High-fidelity audio EQ control. Supercharge your favorite tracks with high-fidelity audio and adjustable EQ that puts you in control of the bass, mid-range, and treble for unmatched bold sound. All-day battery life. Bose QuietComfort wireless headphones provide up to 24 hours of battery on a single charge, plus a 15-minute charge gives you up to 2.5 hours of additional playtime. Microphone cord included. Plug the included audio cable with inline microphone into your Bose noise-canceling headphones to use them without a Bluetooth connection or even when the battery is depleted. Stays connected to your devices. Seamlessly, stay connected to all your favorite devices using the multi-point toggle feature, which allows you to switch devices without disconnecting and reconnecting each time.